Hello and thank you for tuning in to Saya Resam, your personal guide through the ever-expanding world of technology. In this episode, we'll put a hotly anticipated device through real-world tests to see if it lives up to its hype. Today, we're taking a closer look at the MSI Pro MP242L, a surprisingly capable 23.8-inch IPS monitor. With a 100Hz refresh rate that's priced at under about $80, making it one of the most attractive options in the entry-level office monitor category right now. Instead of chasing flashy specifications, this monitor focuses on something more important: comfort, stability, and long-term usability for everyday work and study. Right out of the box, the experience with the Pro MP242L feels simple and practical. Exactly what you would expect from a productivity-focused display. Inside the package, you get the monitor itself, a clearly written user manual, an HDMI cable for quick connection to your PC or laptop, and a compact external power adapter. There's nothing excessive here, but everything you need is included, so you can start using the monitor immediately without buying additional accessories. As soon as you take the monitor out of the box, the first impression is how lightweight and easy it is to handle. The installation process is quick and straightforward, requiring only a few simple steps before the display is ready to go. The overall design feels modern yet minimal, making it suitable for almost any workspace, whether at home, in a classroom, or in a professional office environment. Looking at the front of the monitor, the three-sided slim bezel design stands out right away. The thin bezels create a more immersive viewing experience and help the screen feel larger than its actual size. The bottom bezel is slightly thicker to accommodate the logo, but it blends well with the overall structure and doesn't feel distracting. This layout also makes the monitor a great option for multi-monitor setups. If you plan to expand your workspace later, from the side profile, the upper section of the display remains impressively slim, giving the monitor a clean and elegant appearance. When viewed from different angles, the lower portion is slightly thicker to house internal components, but it doesn't affect the overall aesthetic when placed on a desk. The rear panel follows the same minimalist approach, with connection ports positioned conveniently on one side for easier cable management, especially helpful if your desk is placed close to a wall. Connectivity includes DisplayPort, HDMI, an audio jack, and the power input, covering all the essentials for modern office use. Another thoughtful detail is the joystick-style control button, located on the back of the monitor. Instead of navigating through multiple physical buttons, you can quickly adjust brightness, switch display modes, activate eye care features, or change input sources using just a few intuitive movements. It makes daily adjustments much faster and more convenient. The included stand is made of plastic, which is expected at this price point, but it still feels stable enough for regular use. While it doesn't support advanced ergonomic adjustments like height, rotation, or pivoting, it does include a built-in cable routing channel on both the stand column and base. This small feature helps keep your workspace tidy and organized, something many users will appreciate during long working sessions. Where the Pro MP242L truly shines is in its display experience. The IPS panel delivers neutral and balanced color reproduction, rather than overly saturated tones. This makes it especially comfortable for long hours of reading documents, working with spreadsheets, or writing reports. Compared to displays that exaggerate colors for visual impact, this approach helps reduce eye fatigue during extended productivity sessions. Another major highlight is the 100Hz refresh rate. While it may not sound dramatic at first, the difference becomes clear during everyday use. Scrolling through documents, browsing websites, and switching between windows all feel smoother compared to traditional 60Hz monitors. Over time, this smoother motion contributes significantly to overall comfort and workflow efficiency. Although this isn't a dedicated gaming monitor, the combination of a 100Hz refresh rate and a 1 millisecond response time still makes it capable of handling casual games. and light entertainment without noticeable motion blur. That flexibility makes it more versatile than typical office-only displays. With a full HD resolution on a 23.8-inch screen, the pixel density remains sharp enough for normal viewing distances of approximately 20 to 28 inches. Text appears clean and readable, while videos and images maintain solid detail for everyday multimedia use. This size also fits perfectly on most desks, without feeling oversized or overwhelming. The anti-glare coating and 250 nits brightness level perform well in standard indoor environments such as offices or rooms near windows. While it's not designed for extremely bright outdoor conditions, it delivers a comfortable viewing experience for indoor productivity tasks. Eye care technologies like low blue light mode and flicker reduction further support extended use without discomfort. HDR support is included but remains basic, offering only slight improvements in contrast during video playback. It's best considered a bonus feature rather than a primary selling point. Overall, the MSI Pro MP242L delivers a surprisingly balanced experience for its price. With a clean design, comfortable IPS display, smooth 100 Hz refresh rate, and thoughtful usability features, it stands out as one of the most practical and budget-friendly monitors for students, office workers, and anyone looking for a reliable everyday display.